So hey everyone, this is Young256. With me everything is possible. So today we are going to learn on how to solve this not secure website. Not secure. I'm talking this tutorial is for those website developers. I'm really sorry. This tutorial is for a website developer. Let me say you created your website and then you're facing such an error, not secure. Like every time a person tries to search for your website, like me when they try to look for my website donextraboost.com, okay, and someone clicks in it, it has this not secure. Trust me, this is not good for a business. So what are you going to do and how are you going to solve this? So just follow these steps clearly. Let me dive into the video. So this is my website, let's solve it. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let me show you my YouTube, of course. That is Young256. With me everything is possible. So make sure you come to YouTube. Okay, I'm still promoting my YouTube, so I'm sorry to waste your time, but then you can skip and then go to the point where you want. This is Young256. Young256. Okay, this is our channel, this one. Make sure, I want us to hit 1000 subscribers before 2023 ends. These are the videos I do. I do different types of tutorials, but anyway, let's dive into the video of how to remove our not secure thing. So what we are going to do is you're going to open your text editor, any text editor you have. Are you seeing this one? Okay, so I've already typed my commands. So these are the commands. You can rewrite them, or let me actually, I think I'll upload either this, no, I'll copy them and paste them. Yeah, so you will be able to find these commands. You will only copy and put them. Then after, when you get these commands, when you download them or when you copy them, you're going to open your website cPanel. If you're a developer, you know what a cPanel is. So when you open your website cPanel, you're going to click public HTML. When you click public HTML, you're going to find this file that has HT access. Most times you may not see it, so what you're going to do, you're going to press settings and press where it is show hidden files, then save. So then when you open this, don't right click on it and edit. So edit. So you're going to copy these commands, the commands I've gave you. The commands I've gave you, copy. Okay, copy them and then paste them down, control and then save. So you save your commands, okay, then you reload after saving the commands. So you're going to come, let's come and open our website again, donextraboost.com. okay, let's open. Okay, let's see. It's taking some time. You see, it has worked, and then someone will search for your website and they will find it legit. So this is my website. You can buy followers, you can buy likes. If you want likes, you can join it. It is called www.donextraboost.com. buy likes, buy anything you want, boost your socials. Thank you so much. With that, I sign out.